Dear students, this is Indresh Shukla sir. Today we'll see in chapter 4 altitudes and medians of triangle, practice set 4.1, question 4. Draw an obtuse angle triangle LMN, draw its altitudes and denote the point of orthocenter by O. So for an obtuse angle triangle, we have to draw all altitudes. Okay, let us start. First we are going to construct an obtuse angle triangle LMN. Of any measurement you can construct. Okay, so this is the base we have drawn. Now draw an acute angle here. Okay, and construct this triangle. So this is triangle LMN we have drawn. L, this is point M and this is point N. This is triangle LMN. For this triangle we have to draw altitudes. Okay, let us start one by one. Now what is altitude? What is altitude? From the, so we'll take this vertex M. So from the vertex perpendicular on the opposite side is called altitude. Let us draw from M first. From this point M we have to draw altitude on Ln. Keep the rounder on point M. Okay, take suitable distance on, and on this opposite side cut two arcs. First, this is second. Okay, cut two arcs on that opposite side. Now keep the rounder on the first arc we have drawn. More than half distance you can take. Draw the arc, and from the other arc also cut that previous arc. Okay, and now from this point M we are going to get one perpendicular. Students, you can see that. Well, this is the perpendicular. Show the perpendicular sign here. So then name this point as A. So this is perpendicular on LN. Now let us see how to construct perpendicular from L. Now you can see it's an obtuse angle triangle. To get perpendicular from L, which will come from this point L on the opposite side, this MN we have to extend. We have to extend this base MN. So let us extend this. Okay student, we have extended this base MN. Now from this point M, keep the rounder on point L. Okay, keep the rounder on point L and cut arc on the opposite side. So this is one, you can see, and then on one more arc here on that base. You can see that. I repeat once again. See, from this L we have cut arc, first arc, and this is the second arc we have drawn. Now keep the rounder on the first arc which you have drawn. Distance should be more than half of that here. Cut the arc, and from this also cut that previous arc. So from this L we are going to get perpendicular altitude. You can see in case of obtuse angle triangle here, this altitude we are getting outside the triangle. Okay, make 90-degree symbol here. So this is point B. And now students, next from this point N we have to draw perpendicular. Okay, from this point N. So for that we have to extend this opposite side. For this N, opposite side is LM, which we have to extend. Okay, we have to extend this. Now take the rounder on point N, and on this opposite side, okay, on this opposite side you are going to cut two arcs. You can see that. So this is 1 and this is 2. This is 1 and this is 2. Now keep it on the first arc, students. Distance should be more than half. Distance you can take. Cut the arc, and then from this point also cut this arc. and from this point N you are going to join this. Make 90-degree symbol here. This is point C. So student, you can see from M we have drawn perpendicular, from L we have drawn perpendicular, and from N we have drawn perpendicular, right? Now we have to get the point of intersection, okay? An orthocenter we have to get. So we will do one thing now. This we are going to extend. This perpendicular we are going to extend, students. And now you can see that all three perpendiculars meet at this point, okay? They meet at this point name it as point O. This is the orthocenter, okay? This is the orthocenter. Okay students, so for this triangle LMN we have constructed all three altitudes and we got the orthocenter. We can do that.